Are you ready to have your website get found by the right people? Are you looking to rank at the top of Google so you get more traffic to your website? Are you ready to learn how to use SEO and content marketing to grow your organic traffic? If so, you are in the right place, my friend. Welcome to the Simple SEO Content Podcast, where I show you how to combine the power of SEO, search engine optimization, and content marketing to build your like, know, and trust factor with your audience, which allows you to get found by the right people and turn those visitors into buyers. No more frustration or confusion, and no more time wasted wondering if you're doing your SEO right. It's time to learn how to use SEO and content marketing to grow your business. Hi, my friends, it's Rachel here, and this is the Simple SEO Content Podcast. However, I'm going to go in a slightly different direction today. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I want to start bringing you podcast episodes that are about business ownership in addition to our normal SEO and content marketing podcasts. So what I want to talk to you about today, and I'm going to start doing probably one of these a week, we're going to talk all about how you build a business that supports your lifestyle and how you find the balance that maybe you feel like you're lacking. Maybe if you're still trading dollars for hours, you're feeling like you're never going to be able to break free of this, or maybe you're caught up in hustle culture and you really don't want to hustle. You really want to build a business that is sustainable, that will help you, that will support you, support your family, and give you the flexibility to live the life that you want to live. Now, I know that SEO and content marketing can play a huge role in that, but I want to kind of take a step back from that in this series. And so on Tuesdays, we're going to talk about business ownership, marketing strategy, time management, planning, organization, your ideal customer, your ideal schedule, your ideal life, and most importantly, how you can create a life that you love, that has the flexibility that you want and desire, whether it's to have more time with your kids, more time with your dog, more time to travel, whatever it is, still earning the income that you want to earn, but working the schedule that you want to work. If you don't want to work full time, it's okay. If you don't believe in hustle culture, it's okay. So I've been thinking a ton about this recently, really kind of going through in my mind, what would we talk about here and how can I help you more? Because I hate admitting it because it ages me, but I've got 20 some years now in marketing. I've been a business owner, actively involved here full time. I'm going on my 7th year now. I understand how to do this. And I get questions on a regular basis from my students, my clients, my friends, my accountability partners in different groups that I'm in about this side of things. And how do I streamline my process, and how do I make things work easier, and how do I work fewer hours and make more money, and is it even possible? And I'll be honest, I've questioned and had concerns about, is it even possible to work part-time and earn a full-time income? Or maybe you've had people make comments to you about, oh, that's cute, and I'm using some air quotes here, that's cute, your little hobby, your little business. Well, the little business, and they can talk down if they want, isn't necessarily little. And that's the thing. We don't have to trade dollars for hours. We don't have to give up everything that we want in order to build a business. It is possible to work part-time and earn 6, 7, maybe 8 figures. I don't know. I haven't figured that part of it out yet. I've hit the 6 figures part-time. I haven't managed to hit the 7 or 8 figures part-time, but I'm starting to think that maybe that's the direction I want to go. So I'm curious, what questions do you have about building your business, creating your marketing strategy, driving traffic, putting your course on Evergreen, creating more products, adding in affiliate marketing options, or adding in ad revenue on your blog, organizing. How do you figure out what to focus on, how to prioritize your time? How do you manage to fit in your workouts and your kids' half day and get some work done? Like, I'm here to help you figure it out. So if you have questions, there are things you'd love to see me answer on these business podcasts, do me a favor, DM me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me while you're there because I'm going to be talking all about this as well. But DM me at Etched Marketing Academy. Let me know what questions pop up for you because I'm going to use some of those questions to help me with the content that we're going to create for this particular series on the podcast. So my goal, my thought process right now is Tuesday is going to be a business owner podcast. It's probably going to be a little shorter than our regular SEO content ones. We're going to talk about something related to building that life of your dreams because I know it's possible and I want you to believe it's possible as well. You can work part-time. You can have the freedom and the flexibility that you desire, and you can earn a full-time living. You can earn the money that you want to earn while still being a present parent or still caring for an aging parent or still volunteering or whatever it is that lights your heart. It doesn't you don't have to be a parent to be able to relate to any of this. I spent many, many, many years in corporate long before I was a parent, burning out because the corporate world tries to kill us sometimes. I'm convinced of it. So we're going to talk about the fact that 8 to 5, 40 hours a week is not necessary if you learn, and I'll teach you, how to work smarter, not harder, how to get more done in less time, how to determine what is truly a priority for you and what is not. Because the reality is you can probably get everything you need accomplished in 15 to 20 hours a week and move your business forward and grow your business without killing yourself in the process. So I am a corporate survivor. I earned 6 figures in the corporate world, and for many years, I believed that the only way to earn 6 figures was to trade my dollars for my hours for my dollars and to work really hard and to do everything right and to produce. When I was in corporate, I did great as long as I didn't think about my hourly rate. I made over 100. I got a bonus. Life was good. But if I thought about my hourly rate, I probably would have cried because I worked anywhere from 45 to 70 hours a week, depending on the needs of the business. Plus, I traveled all the time. I had every kind of status through the hotels and the airlines. I teased that when I was pregnant with my son, he could have had super loyalty status just from traveling while he was still in utero. I think he had 50-some thousand miles before birth. So I was a road warrior. I traveled. I was in and out of client meetings and in different cities multiple times a month. And it was super fun and exciting and amazing until I had a family. And then it really didn't fit the lifestyle that I wanted to have. When he was young, my son spent more time during waking hours with his nanny than he did with me, and it broke my heart. Now, the kid didn't sleep through the night till he was 3 years old, so he and I had plenty of bonding time at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I tease him about it today that he liked to be up and party all night with mommy. But it was probably because mommy was at work all day and he was at home with nanny. So our life is completely different now. I work a schedule that I drop him off and I pick him up. He does go to aftercare for a little while because kids get out of school at 1 o'clock or 2:30 in the afternoon in our district. So it's a little early. Mama still needs to work a little more than that. Plus, I care for my mom. She's in a memory center. She's got Alzheimer's and dementia. And so I take care of her and I visit her and pay her bills and stuff like that. Plus, I need some breathing room for myself. I need to do things like go work out. And sometimes it can feel hard. You can feel the guilt of wanting to put that into your day, but it's okay to allow yourself that time. So we're going to talk about all these type of things on this business owners podcast. So let me know what questions you have. DM me on Insta at Etched Marketing Academy. Make sure you check out the Tuesday podcast that's going to have some mindset, some business owner information, some marketing. You're going to use all my years of corporate experience, the changes that I've made, the MBA, any of that I can help you really figure out how to grow your business. And then Thursday, it's going to be very SEO, content marketing, strategy focused. So Thursday is going to be the content that you're used to. You are not going to find this podcast content on my blog or on YouTube. And I'll explain in the future why that is. But for now, this is podcast only. You let me know what you think of it. If you like this, please send me the notes on Instagram, DM me. Let me know that this is something that you find valuable and helpful. And then in time, maybe it'll go to YouTube and the blog. But for now, this is unique, special, just podcast content. All right. Thank you for being here. As always, if you find this helpful, do me a favor, like it, review it, share it with your friends. I want to help business owners grow businesses that they love, that provide the balance that they're desiring for their lives. Thanks so much. Thanks for being here. That's all for today's episode of the Simple SEO Content Podcast. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you visit my website, etchedmarketing.com, and visit the freebies tab. Right there, you're going to find the SEO Content Quick Start Guide along with the free SEO class. So you'll have everything you need to know to get started with SEO and content marketing. Then do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, if you would do a rating and a review of this podcast on your favorite platform. That would really help spread the message, and I do greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram at Etched Marketing Academy, and I will see you right back here next week.